Hi, so if you're watching this video, you're probably wondering how you can make, let's say, 100 or $500 per day with affiliate marketing. Now, the first thing you have to understand is this, right? You can see on many platforms, on many videos, on YouTube, on Facebook, on Instagram, doesn't matter, right? All these platforms, people talking about how easy it is to make money with online marketing or affiliate marketing, right? And in many cases, this is true, right? Because you can make money with affiliate marketing, but the main point is this: how, as a beginner, as someone who is working 9 to 5, as someone who is having, let's say, $5,000 or $10,000 in their bank accounts or in their savings account, how they can go and make profit from day one. And I'm going to tell you this, right? The real secret, and I know you heard that many people talking about gurus, secrets, law of attraction, right? All this blah 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 stuff, right? But the most important thing is this: affiliate marketing is the real business, is the real business model, like any other traditional brick and mortar business, right? Like, for example, real estate, right? You have clients, you have the owner, you have the real estate, you have the properties, you have the land. So it's the real thing, right? The only difference with affiliate marketing is this: it's online. So what is your digital asset? Your digital asset is your website, right? You have the blog, you have the website, right? This is your asset. This is where people come to read, to watch videos, to interact, right? Your audience interact with your message. So the most important thing, and please write this down right now on the paper, is this: having the right message to market match. Let me give you a simple and easy example, right? Let's say you're promoting weight loss product, right? Let's say supplement for the females who are overweight, who are 40 to 65 years old, living in California, for example, or Florida, whatever, right? So why I'm choosing US? Because most of people in US are buying weight loss products. Now, you have to understand this: if you market weight loss products, you have to understand who is your audience, right? And what do they want. So your avatar is really important, right? For example, let's say that we have a female who is 45 years old, she is single mom living in California, right? And she's looking to buy a weight loss product because she wants to lose weight over the summer, to look better on the beach, right? So we already have the desire there, right? The desire is to look better, right? To look more attractive as a female. Another thing you have to pay attention is this: in many cases, people like this will not tell you their true desire or the true cause, right? Let me give you an easy example, but really important example, which is this. Imagine this scenario: you have a female in California who is 45 years old. She's married with 2 kids, right? She has 2 kids, she's married, and she's a little bit overweight. Now, what could be her desire to lose weight, to buy your weight loss supplement, right? It could be just to lose weight, to look more pretty, to look more beautiful, right? Or the more deeper desire could be because she doesn't want her husband to cheat on her, right? Why? Because imagine this, right? If the female is overweight, right, unattractive, of course the guy is going to look on other girls, right, who are more attractive than her, than his wife, right? So her real desire to lose weight is not just to look better, to show off in front of her female friends, but also to make sure that her husband is not cheating on her, right? So there are many deeper levels why someone buys, right? It could be status, it could be, like I said, don't cheat on her, right? So there we have many different levels, right? Many different levels of desire. So if you're an affiliate like me promoting weight loss products, you should understand who is your audience, what do they want, what are their pain points, right? What are their problems, what are they dealing with, and then you can put the message to market match in your headline, in your ad copy, in your targeting, right? And then, of course, you have better results, right? Than someone who doesn't even know who is their audience, what do they want, what are their pain points. Like, for example, if I have back pain, right, I cannot sleep at night. If I have toothache, maybe I'm waking up in 2 a.m., 3 a.m. in the morning thinking about how to solve this pain, right? How to solve my problem. So if you as an affiliate can describe the problem of your audience, right, of the person that you're marketing to better than they can describe it, then of course you're going to have sales, right? You're going to give them solution to the problems, and of course at the end of the day you are going to get sales. So if you're watching this video and if you want to get results with online marketing or affiliate marketing, then click the link below this video and reach out to me over social media, WhatsApp or email, and let me know if you want to work personally with me one-on-one. No, I'm not selling you any courses because personally I really don't believe in courses. Why? The number one reason why is because in many cases courses are not giving you what you need, right? They're not giving you personal relationship, they're not giving you personal hand holding, they're not giving you personal support when you do need it, right? And you will definitely need it, right? If you get any kind of problems along the way, if you get any kind of, like, let's say speed bumps along the way, you will need some kind of support, right? So if you're watching this video and if you want to get results, click the link please and reach out to me. Let's connect, and if you're serious, if you have some money to invest and some time to invest, then let's get started and see you on the other side.